In a tizzy, unraveling the mystery of this quirky phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the home for everyone eager to master the English language. Today, we're going to explore a fun and interesting phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or even in a casual conversation, in a tizzy. If you've ever been confused or curious about what this means, then you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive into the origin, meaning, and usage of this phrase. Let's break it down. The word tizzy refers to a state of nervousness or excitement. When someone is in a tizzy, they are typically so worried, anxious, or excited about something that they may not be thinking clearly. It's a bit like having a whirlwind of emotions that leaves you flustered and a little bit overwhelmed. But don't worry, we often use this phrase in a lighthearted context. The origins of "in a tizzy" are somewhat mysterious. The word tizzy as a slang term started popping up around the 1930s. Some say it may have been derived from the word tantrum, which means a burst of bad temper, especially in children. Others suggest it comes from the dialect term tiz, which means a fuss or commotion. Although we're not sure where it came from, one thing is clear: it's been a colorful part of the English language for quite some time. It's important to know how to properly use "in a tizzy" in a sentence. Here are a few examples. The sudden change in plans put Maria in a tizzy as she tried to rearrange her schedule. John was in a tizzy trying to get the perfect gift for his wife. The entire office was in a tizzy the day before the audit. Remember, although the phrase often conveys a sense of distress, it can also capture excitement or hasty activity without any negative connotation. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion about the phrase, "in a tizzy," and you feel more comfortable using it in your daily English conversations. Whether it's preparing for a big day or just running around trying to get things done, now you know what to call that whirl of activity and emotions. Thank you for watching, and we hope you're a little less in a tizzy about English idioms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more language learning content. See you next time.